Today you will have most of the writing time to work on note-taking. Today you will take notes from a third source. Another website is www.ducksters.com. I'm going to look on the list of science topics. Then I will scroll down and find Earth Science. And then I'm going to look for information on earthquakes. Remember the steps we need to take in order to take notes from a source? First, you need to find a source containing information on your topic. Then you need to read the information. Next, you look away from the text and say what you read about it in your own words. And finally, you jot down some words or phrases in the correct section on your graphic organizer to help you remember what to write later. What do you need to do if you find the same information in multiple sources? Yes, you put a check mark next to the information each time you read about the same information. Why do we do this? Well, it reminds us that the information must be very important if it was in more than one source, so you will want to remember to write about that in your paper. When I read through this article, I noticed right away that there was a graphic about seismic waves that interested me, because I haven't seen it in any other sources. Sometimes a quick sketch is good to add to your notes to help you remember about the information later. Plus, it could serve as a good explanation for your reader. This information is new, so since there's nothing in box 4, I wrote it there, because it doesn't go with any of our other subtopics. I will continue to add new information to my graphic organizer and put a check next to any information that I found in more than one source. Remember to write the new source in the last box. I've added www.ducksters.com to our sources. Today you will have the rest of the writing time to take notes. Remember, you need to have notes from at least 3 sources. You will want to add more information to the earthquake graphic organizer so that you have enough details to write about and details to cross off for the next lesson.